This computer, internet, friendships versus real friendships and relationships and all. I am thinking about all the time now. I had my first love, who considered a friend. That's my friend on Facebook. She and I have been apart for 15 years, and I see her go from being engaged to now being married. And it shocked me a little bit at first. I learned to accept it, even though we've been broke up for so long. There's been a couple of my friends on Facebook who I wanted to have an internet relationship. But they failed because it was not good enough for a couple women, you know. Only considered me a friend, which I was their friend, but not. I wanted more and never got it because I was not good enough for them. So back to my first love, who I deleted as my friend because I didn't want to see her or hear about her or ever hear about me anymore, because not for spite, not for anything like that. It's because she's got a right to have her privacy, and I got a right to have mine. So starting to feel like that now. That's why I don't share a lot with anyone anymore. I usually do daily blogs and share all kinds of things, but I don't feel right anymore. It's too much things said about don't share this one, this could be out there wherever. Scare tactics to prevent you from sharing your life. Well, a employer is going to do this and do that. They're going to do whatever they want to put you in a category anyway. You're looking for the best of the best. And when you're not the best of the best working, you're shunned. You can be the best of the best and work your ass off and train people just to have them be your bosses, which happened to me many a times. I worked for companies that were not beneficial to me. They were against me, and one of them I quit. to them I got laid off or let go. Furniture companies, per se. And I heard there are big about people's attitudes towards each other. And cliques and all. You can find one, they can die out. Me, I am not fond of cliques. It's too egocentric for me. So I prefer to do it alone, go it alone, in life, and internet, and whatever. And I was on my book. I'm still on it. I made 1,000 friends there, so to speak. I'm looking for Mrs. White or Wright, whatever. And only find women that want to collect me for their own popularity, which I would put an end to. That'd be weird. They were, real to begin with. Anyway, I'm done. Peace. Maybe one day. Looks turn on the trains, but I still haven't found my dream woman. I thought I had with one internet stalker. Now, she's a stalker. Grab her more than me. Take care.